Assalamu alaikum, this is Shafiqul Islam from Shafiqul PPC. In this video I'm going to show you how to track button click in GTM and send this data in GA4. Okay, so we can track three-way. We can triggering three-way in button click. So I will show you the three system, how to track three system. Okay, so first of all I need to go the GTM, and here I need to configure the built-in variables. Just call this, and now I go to trigger section, and in this section I need to create a trigger for the built-in variables. Okay, I click the new and configure, and all element just link. So I try first one is just links and all clicks, then input the name here. Okay, so this is my trigger name. You can input the as you wish. This name is no problem, you just need to understand what is the trigger name. Okay, and save change. Okay, and I click this button. Anyone I click and check it out, what will happen. Continue. Okay, this event is fired. This event is fired here, and I need to go variable and check it out, the click class and click element, and click ID is not appear here, click target appear, click text. So I can set up the trigger, click text, click element, and click classes. Okay, so I just change the trigger here, link, and some clicks. Click class can use, see this click class, I just copy this, not like that. If I use click class, copy and input here, paste. Okay, click class contain or click class equal, both of them can use maybe, so I use click class contain. Okay, save change. Now I go to set up a tag, select, configure the GA4 event and base code, and name here event button click, and send parameter. If you don't want to send parameter, no problem, but I want to send parameter button class. Okay, save change, button click just link, and save change, name here. So save. Okay, preview, and then that's it. Okay, click this button and let's check it. Button click is fired. Okay, now I go to the analytics and debugging view. I want to see this GA4 send it or not, it's working properly or not working. Okay, GA4 event button click here, and here I can see button class. This is button class. Okay, so now I change it button class to class click text. Okay, so this is my trigger, and just I have to change this button text contain button text. What is the button text? Click, Control C, and here shop now. Okay, save change. I want to preview again. Okay, so now we go to tag and check it out, all is okay. Button is mistake. Okay, click plus. I want to send the click text. Click text. Click text and then save changes. Now go to preview again and continue. Yeah, continue. Go to pages, click anyone and go to here. It's fired. Now I go to analytics and check it working or not. Page view coming. Okay, GA4 event button, click here. Now I go to see the text name shop now. Okay, click. Okay, save changes and then preview. Okay, this is loaded and click the button shop now. Continue. Click and go to variables, and same way I can choose the click classes, click text. Okay, so first of all I go to check the click classes and copy this. And go to tag manager, go to trigger again and then edit it. Some click classes and save changes. Now I go to configure tag and new configure GA4 event basic code and send parameter, add new here button, click now. Click classes and trigger will be the GA4 all elements button, click and save change. GA4 events, click save and preview. Check it out, it's working or not. Yes, working here. Okay, now I go to see the analytics report. User event, user engagement, and then GA4 all elements button, click here. Now you can see here the button class. Okay, so now I want to change this class to click. Same way I go to trigger, GA4 trigger and all elements button, click, and here I need to change text, click text. Oh my god. Okay, and then I go to debugging view and shop now. Copy the text, paste here, and then save changes and go to preview. Okay, click and it's okay. Fire here also. Yes, this debugging view and button, click shop now. So everything is fine, working. Now I go to third one, like CSS selector trigger, and here I go to the click element contains or equal, check it equal, and here should be go to here and go to inspect and then select this one. Okay, and go to copy selector, and go to tag manager, paste it all the way and space star. Yeah, save changes, and then I go to tag, create a new tag. I should not delete it, just edit it. Okay, working fine. Same event, GA4 event, GA4 parameter. I will send button click and trigger. Trigger button click and name here GA4, and then preview. Okay, close this debugging view and click here, go to here, continue. Not fired. Just find contents. Oh, I'm sorry, I should mess CSS selector. To continue, and selector button is okay. Check it out, and button click the object HTML span element. This is the selector, CSS selector. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your patience and watching this video, and please subscribe my channel to get more videos and updates. Thank you very much again.